guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to have a new makeup tutorial for you guys. This look has definitely been my go-to. Any of my recent makeup pics that you guys have seen, this is probably the look that I did for it. The only thing that I ever switch up is my lips, but for the most part I keep it nude anyways. I hope you guys enjoy this makeup tutorial. If you want to see how I got the look, just keep on watching. I've gotten in the habit of putting sunscreen on before my makeup. Even when I don't wear any makeup, I usually just put this on before it. And then once I let that sit for about a minute, I do like to apply my primer. I like to create a barrier between my skin and the makeup that I'm putting, and I feel like it makes the makeup last a lot longer. My go-to foundation definitely has to be Fenty Beauty. It's one of my favorites. I just love the way it looks like your skin, but better. And I always like applying it with a beauty blender. I've tried with a brush, but I feel like I get the best look when I blend out the foundation with a beauty blender. This is also one of my go-to things to do, is to put a nude eyeliner on my waterline. I just like the way it makes my eyes look brighter. And then moving on, we're going to start on our brows, and I'm just using the ANASTASIA brow wiz to fill them in. While I'm doing my makeup, I do like to apply some type of lip balm. Right now I'm using this lip oil, which is one of my favorites. It leaves your lips super moisturized. And then for my eye primer, I'm actually just using concealer, and this is the same concealer that you're gonna see me apply later on. For the eyes, we're gonna be using the Too Faced Natural Matte Palette. These shades are just your basic neutral kind of palette. It's a really great palette to have if you just like doing simple makeup, but it does have some deeper shades that you can play around with. Right now I just picked up one of the nude shades and made that my transition color, and then I went in with a little bit of a darker brownie color to deepen up that crease. The palette also has this mauvey nude kind of shade. I used that color to put it all over my lids, and then for highlighter I used the white shade and I just put that right underneath my brows. This is the liquid eyeliner I've been using to do my wing liner. It is a struggle, you guys, to do the wing liner on camera, but I try to show you guys how I do it in this clip here. Before lashes, we're gonna pop on some mascara, and then the lashes that I'm using are pretty much my basic go-tos. These are just the lashes I grab when I know I don't wanna fuss and I know these are gonna fit perfectly. This concealer is so good, you guys. This is by Laura Mercier. If you want to invest in a high-end concealer, I recommend this one because the coverage is really amazing. There's little to no creasing and it's just amazing. I love this concealer so much. I'm blending it out with my beauty blender, and then to bake it, I'm going to be using the KKW Beauty baking powder, the number 2 one, which has a little bit of a pink tint, but I've been really liking that baking powder. To do my cream contour, I'm actually using one of the Laura Mercier concealers. I think this is the darkest shade. I'll have to double check and list it below. But whenever I do a cream contour, I do like to blend it out with a beauty blender. I feel like it works the best for me. Now we're just gonna set that contour. I love using my Kat Von D palette to do that. And then I'm also gonna carve out my contour using the same setting powder as before. I like a really nude bronzy look, so I am applying some bronzer, and I like to use a big fluffy brush for this. And then I've been really getting into blush. I felt like I wasn't such a big blush girl before, like I really wouldn't care about blush, but I love this palette and I love how rosy it makes my cheeks look. For my lower lash line, I did a mix of the two nude shades from before, and then I just took that white highlighter and I put it on the inner corners of my eyes to just really brighten them up and make them look bigger. Before I apply my highlighter and mascara to my lower lashes, I do like to apply my setting spray and just let that sit for a minute. And then of course we gotta go in with some highlight because it wouldn't be a nude look without it, and tons of glow. And finally, to complete the look, we are doing the lips, and this is my current favorite lip combo. So if you see my photos and you're wondering what I have on my lips, it's probably this combo. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys for my next video.